Gaurav, it's about your WhatsApp conversation with Riya Chakraborty. What do you have to say about that?
I have not had any communication with her since 2017, and the case that you're relating to is 2020, so I don't even see the connection.
Gaurav Arya denies knowing Sushant Singh Rajput and claims he had only met Riya Chakraborty in 2017. He has denied any connection with the case but has arrived in Mumbai after receiving summons from the Enforcement Directorate.
I'm willing to comply with the law, and whatever questions they need, I'm there. That's why I'm here in Bombay to answer these questions.
Gaurav Arya is a Goa-based hotelier whose name sprung up when the Enforcement Directorate managed to find old chats that Riya had deleted as a part of their investigation into financial irregularities. Gaurav, who refused to speak to media persons in Mumbai, commented on the matter in Panaji and said, "I did not know Sushant personally, nor had I ever met him. I had met Riya in 2017. I have no connection whatsoever in the Sushant Singh case." He alleged that he was being framed and that he had nothing to do with this investigation into Sushant's demise.
The Sushant Singh Rajput case received a major jolt after it was announced that the Narcotics Control Bureau will now be joining the investigation, as old chats of Riya pointed towards possibly trying to contact people to acquire certain illegal or banned substances. Gaurav Arya, a hotelier from Goa, whom she allegedly tried to contact in 2017 in relation to certain banned substances, will now be questioned by the ED and possibly the CBI and NCB, who are all investigating different aspects of the case now.
I have no idea about those conversations, and now we will just let the ED take a course, and whatever the investigation is, I'm here to comply with it.
Gaurav गोवा में एक होटल एयर कैफे चलाते हैं. After his name appeared in the chats, an ED team reached his hotel in Goa, which was shut due to the current pandemic. The team then pasted a notice जिसमें गौरव को ED के असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर से August 31st को मिलने का डायरेक्शन था, in connection with a case filed under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act.
I have not had any communication with her since 2017, and the case that you're relating to is 2020, so I don't even see the connection.
This is a follow-up action to the enforcement case information report that was registered in the case after an FIR was filed by KK Singh, Sushant's father, in which he had alleged that around 15 crore rupees was withdrawn from Sushant's bank account in the last 1 year and transferred to accounts that had no link with him. According to the old chats shared, Riya is perceived to be discussing names of certain banned substances with Gaurav, and the investigators suspect that he may have supplied these to Riya in the past. Gaurav has been booked under acts relating to narcotics laws, and the NCB has also filed an FIR against Riya Chakraborty, her brother Shauvik, talent manager Jaya Saha, Rajput's former manager Shruti Modi and Gaurav Arya. One hopes that the truth will emerge soon, with multiple agencies working together.